Tired of watching viral kids videos rake in billions while yours gets 0 views? I whipped up this video in just minutes.
A is for airplane flying high. B is for butterfly in the sky. C is for car that zooms so fast. D is for dolphin swimming past. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog who hops along. G is for giraffe, so very tall. H is for horse who runs for all. I is for ice cream, cold and
You've seen millions of views on tons of videos, but these? Billions. 1 billion equals 1,000 million. And I created this powerhouse tutorial to teach you how to explode onto the scene. This YouTube sensation has 44 million views and 7.44 million subscribers. Check this out. Another ABC banger with 6.2 billion views. That's nearly 6,000 million. The channel boasts 94 million subscribers. Here's more fire. 27 million, 482 million, all racking up millions in kids content. And guess what? You can create these exact videos on your phone, 100% free. Master this and you'll be banking thousands right from your pocket. But first, if this video ignites value and drops game-changing knowledge, smash that like button. New here? Subscribe now to skyrocket your skills and back my mission. Step 1. Generating killer ideas and crafting lyrics that slay. To crush it, we need unstoppable ideas because one video won't cut it. Head to ChatGPT and type, "I want epic ideas for kids' nursery rhymes about alphabets, numbers, and colors." Boom! ChatGPT delivers 4 explosive concepts. You'll get an A to Z adventure for alphabets, a 1, 2, 3 jam for numbers, and a vibrant colors song. Pick any idea that sparks fire or ask ChatGPT for more. Let's say the ABC poem lights you up. Select it, hit the reply arrow, and type, "Now write full song lyrics for this idea," and hit enter. Boom! ChatGPT drops complete, ready-to-rock lyrics. Copy every line and head to the Step 2, turning music into magic. Blast over to Google's Music FX or Sun.ai, both free daily credits. Sign in with Google, paste your lyrics, delete any auto-filled text, and set the style to Fun Pop with a bouncy beat. Add a catchy title, hit create, bam! 2 versions generate instantly. Listen to both. Pick the one that hits hard. Click the 3 dots, download as MP3, your anthem is ready to dominate. Step 3. Generating jaw-dropping images. Back to ChatGPT and type, "Write 26 image prompts for A to Z alphabets." You get 26 prompt gems. Copy the first, head to Leonardo.ai, click on Get Started, paste the first prompt in the prompt box, set style to 3D render, contrast to high, dimensions to 16:9, perfect for long videos, and hit generate. Bam! 4 stunning images appear. Download the best. Repeat for every letter. HD quality, crystal clear, free with 150 daily credits. And for filling music gaps with epic scenes, write this prompt in ChatGPT. Now write 10 image prompts for chorus scenes in the same style, little kids and alphabets. ChatGPT delivers 10 chorus visuals. Generate and download these in Leonardo.ai too. Step 4. Transforming images into hypnotic videos. Rush to Hilo.ai, upload your first image, paste its original prompt from ChatGPT, select the basic model, the fastest, and hit generate. Delete, upload the next image, repeat the prompt, 30-second clips explode with motion. Download every clip. Your visuals are alive. Step 5. Editing like a pro in CapCut. Open CapCut or any editor. Upload all video clips plus your MP3 song. Drag the song to the timeline first. Add video clips one by one, syncing perfectly. Select each clip, zoom in slightly for engagement. Between clips, add transitions. Scroll to the MG section, grab Cartoon Kit effects, apply to every gap. Adjust clip speed to match lyrics, speed up to shorten, slow down to stretch. Branding time. Add text, your channel name or logo, make one free in Canva, customize color, shrink, place anywhere, stretch across the entire timeline. Want subtitles? Hit captions, then auto-generate, lyrics appear on screen. Export in 2K or 4K, crystal clear quality. This method is insanely easy and free right now. Video fired you up? Smash like. Share with friends to change lives. Subscribe, hit the bell to all. Keep learning, keep earning.